back to another video. Today we are going to be pranking my dad because a lot of you seem to be liking those videos. So we will be doing them. And let's get right into it. So I got this idea from TikTok where I come to ask my dad, crack my back, and then I put this in my mouth and I bite it, and then it sounds like I cracked it. Let's do it. Hey Dad?
Yep.
Can you come crack my back?
Yep. Is it sore again?
Yeah.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god! Did I just break your back? Oh no!